In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a poll on Telegram. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram on your device and sign into your account. And now in here, go ahead and head over to the channel where you want to create a poll to. Now go ahead and click on the clip icon at the bottom of your screen. Scroll right at the bottom area of this section to be able to find the poll button. So click on the poll button to create a poll. Now in here, go ahead and create a poll question along with the answer options that you have for your poll. So you can create as much as 10 options. On the answer options, you can also enable multiple answers and quiz mode if what you're creating is a quiz for your Telegram channel. Once you have your poll finalized, go ahead and click on the create button at the top right corner of your screen, and this poll will be up for your Telegram channel. And that's how you can simply create a poll on Telegram. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.